If you've ever wanted to really make Google Chrome feel like your own personal browser, today is your day. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize Chrome, giving it a look and functionality that fits your style and needs. Whether you're hoping to change its appearance or streamline your browsing experience, I'll walk you through the steps one by one. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you're already using it, perfect. If not, just find the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Launching Chrome is your starting point, just like opening the front door to your digital world. Once it's open, take a quick look. This is the canvas we're about to change up. Now, let's look towards the upper right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. That's the More menu, which is where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and tools. Clicking these three dots opens up a drop-down menu with a ton of options, from your browsing history, to extensions, to settings, and more. For this tutorial, we're going to hover over the option that says More Tools. Don't rush. Sometimes when menus pop up, they can feel intimidating with all those choices. When you hover over More Tools, a side menu will appear with even more options. This area is sort of the control room for Chrome, so take a moment to get comfortable with it. Next, from this side menu, you'll see an option labeled Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is where the real magic happens. If you don't see it right away, don't be discouraged. A quick browser update might be needed, or double check that you're not clicking too fast. Sometimes menus can collapse before you get there. Once you do click Customize Chrome, a dedicated pane slides in on the right side of your window. It's pretty slick, and now you'll have access to lots of choices for changing how Chrome looks and behaves. Within Customize Chrome, you'll find options to set a theme, add a background image, choose a color scheme, and tweak the layout of your new tab page. For example, you could pick a sunset background to give your browser a calming vibe, or select a bold color palette to energize your workspace. The choices are designed to help you work more happily, or just make browsing feel more fun. As you explore, notice how changes happen instantly, so you'll never be left wondering what you just clicked. It's all visual, immediate feedback. Try out a few looks, and don't worry if you change your mind. You can always undo or pick something new, and that's really all there is to it. Customizing Chrome is quick, intuitive, and a great way to remind yourself that your tools should fit you, not the other way around. Changing the look and layout of Chrome can even help with productivity, or just add a little bit of joy to your online routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you get stuck or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!